Atis World সবাইকে স্বাগত। Today I will discuss basic English practice. আজকে আমি বেসিক ইংরেজি অনুশীলন নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। আর সাথে কনভারসেশনে প্র্যাকটিসে আছেন আমার কাজিন মাস্টার বিজয়।
Hello, I am Bijoy. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Afif Chopu.
Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
Are you students?
Yes, I'm a student.
Yes. How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Would you like to have coffee?
No, I like meals.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Anything else?
Nothing else.
What are you planning today?
I am not sure.
Okay. Are you afraid?
I am not afraid.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you. If you like my video, you must share that channel. Okay, bye. Allah Hafiz.